Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Discord, JS versus Discord, Pi. Let's dive into their core functionalities and see how they stack up. Discord, JS built on Node. JS offers a robust framework for JavaScript developers, while Discord, Pi provides an elegant, asynchronous wrapper for Python enthusiasts. Both are incredibly powerful for creating interactive Discord bots, handling everything from simple commands to complex integrations. We'll explore their strengths and help you decide which one best suits your next project. When considering performance, Discord, JS leverages JavaScript's V8 engine, known for its speed in handling asynchronous operations, making it excellent for I/O bound tasks. Discord, Pi, on the other hand, uses Python, which is celebrated for its clear syntax and rapid development cycle. While Python's global interpreter lock can sometimes impact true parallel processing for CPU-intensive tasks, both libraries are highly optimized for Discord bot operations, offering efficient event handling and low latency. The ecosystem surrounding each library is vast and supportive. Discord, JS benefits from the extensive NPM registry, providing thousands of packages to extend functionality, from database integrations to advanced command handlers. Discord, Pi taps into Python's rich standard library and the PyPI repository, offering a similar wealth of tools. Both provide comprehensive API coverage, supporting features like voice, webhooks, and the latest / commands, ensuring you can build almost anything. Ultimately, the choice between Discord, JS, and Discord, Pi often comes down to your preferred programming language and existing skill set. If you're comfortable with JavaScript and the Node, JS environment, Discord, JS will feel natural. Conversely, if Python's readability and development speed appeal to you, Discord, Pi is an excellent choice. Both communities are incredibly active, offering extensive documentation and support, ensuring a smooth development experience regardless of your selection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.